Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by getting into the app and granting the right access. First, make sure your iPhone is updated and has enough free space. You'll be uploading originals or high quality. Next, open App Store, install Google Photos, and sign in with your Google account. Once done, accept prompts for Photos access and background app refresh. These permissions let the app read and continuously back up new images without requiring manual imports. Now configure the backup engine. Tap your profile picture, go to Photos settings and select Backup and Sync. Choose your upload size. Original keeps full quality and uses drive storage. Storage Saver reduces size to save quota. Then pick which folders and camera roll items to include and decide whether to back up over cellular. Turn this on only if you have a generous data plan. Finally, confirm your account and watch the initial scan start. To finish, verify your photos by checking the recent view in albums. The cloud icon or check marks indicate successful uploads. If anything is missing, open Backup and Sync and tap Backup Now to force a pass. Make sure iPhone power and low power mode won't stop background uploads. If backups fail, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Photos permission and background app refresh, restart the app, and sign out then back into Google Photos. This often clears permission or sync stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.